Everything begins in silence. Before the world wakes up, I'm already dreaming. But dreams don't come true by sleeping. They will with patience, polished with intention. Each morning is a chance to ignite something within me. The city still sleeps, but I'm already in motion. Because before the punches, the kicks, or the switch, there's a moment to breathe, to look far ahead, and remind myself why I started. But dreams don't come true by sleeping. I prepare the space, but above all, I prepare myself. Preparing is part of the fight. There is no movement without intention. Each breath, each gesture sharpens my spirit like a sword. I connect to the now. Here, there's no noise, only truth. The incense purifies the air and also my thoughts. Every detail matters, every step counts. The camera is not just an eye, it's a mirror showing me what I need to improve. That's why I need precision, and the GM27 fluid head gives it to me, smooth, steady. It follows me without shaking, just like my will. Light changes the soul of a space. With the Neewer TL97C, I can summon the red of the fire, or the blue of serenity. I don't always train in a gym. Sometimes the dojo is wherever I built it. With the continuity SPCO8, there are no limits. Metal, glass, wood, where there's a surface, there's a possibility. It's also my camera, it's also my gaze. From the foam or just one button. Colors that reflect how I feel. Sometimes I train in a storm, sometimes in calm. They follow me. Harmony isn't improvised, it's built like an invisible choreography between what I feel and what I show. Light, camera, body, mind. Your mind and your body must be one. Today, I film for my final project, but above all, I feel so I never forget who I am. My body feels heavy, but my soul pushes forward. It's not just about technique, it's about memory. Every fall I've been through, every tear that went unseen. Today, I'm not fighting him, I'm fighting myself. That part that hesitated, that trembles, that wants to quit. My sweet is not a weakness, it's history. It's everything I've left behind to get here. I'm not afraid. I have scars, and each of them reminds me why I don't give up. Anger, no. This is what pain looks like when you can't cry anymore. Every strike I throw isn't against him. It's against every no I heard, every door that stayed closed. They say whoever masters their body masters their destiny, but no one tells you that to do that you must first defeat your mind. Every drop of sweat is a word I never spoke, a tear I turn into strength. My body screams, but my soul answers. I'm not here by accident. I'm here because I no longer want to be the one who waits. I want to be the one who acts. This light I hold is not a lamp. It's my contained rage. The energy that burns when the world tries to put you out. With every blow, with every fall, I rebuild myself. The lights around me aren't just effects. They are my inner fight brought to life. The colors aren't decorations, they are emotions. Red, my rage. Blue, my calm. Purple, my balance. This training is more than sweet and technique. It's a promise to never give up, to keep standing, even when it hurts. I'm broken, but I've learned to rebuild myself with fire. I don't fight with fear anymore. I fight for everything that made me who I am.
Venga, una más. ¡Ay! Una más. Serio, Kyunji.
If I must fall, I'll fall screaming. But if I rise, it will be to light up the world. Neewer. Light up, inspire, tell your story.
Strength doesn't always shout. Sometimes true strength is knowing when to stop. You fought, you've fallen, you've shown, but now you breathe, and in that silence there is victory too. The path of Taekwondo is not just about combat. It is respect, it is balance, it is harmony between who you are and who you can still become. Every step you took, every strike, every chill held back were just different ways of searching for the light. And now you carry it within you. That light is the one others will follow, because a true warrior is not measured by how many times they win, but how many times they light the way for others.